Good morning. Welcome to Options Tenor. It is Wednesday, 5/25, 8:47 a.m. Thanks for joining us here. We're going to go through a quick market update and welcome back, everybody. If you're new here, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that Options Center logo, and subscribe. You guys, I haven't been on here as much. My wife and I have a business that we've been running, and it has been awesome. So just spending a little bit of time on that, but we're going to get back on track once again. I'll do these videos whenever I can and try to keep you updated a couple times, at least one or two times on the public and on the Patreon. I'll get a little bit more in depth and go with some quick updates each and every day. Okay, we have ES on the monthly, not looking good. Broke down from this consolidation area, pushing lower. Nothing really to hold it at this point from this long-term perception now. Underneath here, it looks like we're going to come to the 50. Maybe we have some support somewhere down there. But in the meantime, let's look down at lower time frames. We like to get that bird's eye view, you guys, just so we can see what's really happening over time. So it's not looking good yet, but on the weekly, we have some nice weekly supply or demand area that we bounced off of. Not a real hard bounce. We don't see much yet. We do have a catalyst today with the minutes, so we'll see if that is something that can happen. But we had 7 weeks down in a row. Right now, we're in an inside week underneath the 100 and the 8 EMA for the weekly trailing, and not much underneath this point until you get to that spot that I was talking about in the monthly. So if we start to lose this demand area because of some catalyst, one more big move down, I think we have this beautiful channel slash 50% retracement slash support going on here on the daily. Now with the daily, we see that all the indicators are headed to the downside. Well, we have a lot of confluence here from this possible wedge from two different angles. We have these pivots, and we did use this daily supply as well to bounce off of once, twice, 3 times now. So I don't think it will hold on much longer if we don't actually start to lift up today. I would love to see some sort of pop above the 8 EMA if we're going to be bullish. Now, the reason why I'm looking towards the upside now are these divergences. We're starting to see a crossover, a bull crossover in the daily, plus a little bit of divergence from that last 2 dip down there. Same thing with the RSI, just couldn't get down to the oversold area again, so causing divergence, and plus another little divergence going there. And also the McClellan summation index is starting to curve up as well. So we'll see if that has any traction. But so we're looking for some sort of bounce. It doesn't have to be the end all be all bounce. This isn't that means this whole decline is over, but it should give us some hints that we're looking to the upside. Okay, so if this massive move down, we have right here, it looks like we're setting up for like a 1-2 5-wave move up, 3-wave possible move down, and then you might be able to, yeah, 3 ways looks like an A, B, C move down for a corrective move, unless we're moving in some sort of triangle or something else. I do believe we're starting to go up. We do have a little confluence there with the this pivot, this trend line, and spike there. I don't know if we have, so this might be like a 1-2, 1-2 setup here. We've come down to, we have that big gap there that just, it should be closed pretty quick. We didn't come down to the 618 yet, but you know what, this looks like a good position to, sorry to do this to you live here, but I'm probably gonna buy a couple MES futures. Let's see where we go from here. See if we can't get all right. Right, a couple futures, and we'll put our stop underneath this 3906 support. That seems like a good support, and there's no reason why it should get underneath this trend line, and possible this, a little bit weaker here, but we'll see. So if we get underneath here, we'll go ahead and close out our positions. But from here, if we have a 1-2-1-2, we should see a nice move to the upside. We have the expected move up here to 4,025, and then we have a gap to fill up here, the 4,100 area. So if this is this might even be an A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete some sort of correction up here, and then we could probably follow through back to the downside, form another divergence, and have a big rally after that. That's kind of what I'm looking at, but we'll take it day by day, and I'll update you soon again. So thanks for joining us here at Options Tenor. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit that like button.